Solution to home task. Dear Sir, you are a respected person in the educated society. I solicit your cooperation in bringing awareness of new technology and methods among young generation. In land survey with use of DLS equipment, no angle is measured on the field, therefore graduate civil engineers cannot plot the ground points. A soft app freely supplied with DLS equipment is used to compute all required angles. A civil engineer needs to update land surveying techniques in view of introduction of digital land survey, DLS, equipment, which has replaced the use of conventional instruments like theodolite, auto level and total station. To understand the importance of DLS equipment, a demo exercise is given here. In land surveying, to plot 4 well-identified points A, B, C and D, linear distances AB is equal to 66 meter, BC is equal to 98.12 meter, CD is equal to 80.30 meter and DA is equal to 80 meter, have been observed by DLS equipment. Make use of Dr. Mahajan's soft app, free supply to the users to determine the included angle at A, B, C and D. Adjust the angles for the geometrical condition of the figure and plot the traverse ABDA. Compare the activity with use of conventional surveying instruments. From email correspondence it is found you eagerly look forward to online surveyors training at Apurv JST Network Franchise Center to become self-employed. Please like the video attached. The solution of the problem is as under. Step 1. Estimation of angle, A. Consider the key diagram on the screen of given ground points of the traverse ABDA. Let us use Dr. Mahajan's soft app supplied with DLS equipment, to determine the angle at A, to match with given topology. Let A equal to AB equal to 66 meter and B equal to AD equal to 80 meter. The extract of the soft app picture is shown on the screen. The selected angle A is 80.81 degrees. Step 2. Estimation of angle at B. Let us use the given soft app to determine the angle at B, to match with given topology. Let A equal to AB equal to 66 m and B equal to BC equal to 98.12 m. The extract of the soft app picture is shown on the screen. The selected angle B is 106.51 degrees. Step 3. Estimation of angle at C. Let us use the given soft app to determine the angle at C, to match with given topology. Let A equal to CB is equal to 98.12 m and B equal to CD equal 80.30 m. The extract of the soft app picture is shown on the screen. The selected angle B is 80.48 degrees. Step 4. Estimation of angle at D. Let us use the given soft app to determine the angle at D, to match with given topology. Let A equal to DC is equal to 80.30 meter and B equal to DA equal 80 meter. The extract of the soft app picture is shown on the screen. The selected angle B is 134.96 degrees. Step 5. In foregoing steps from 1 to 4 we determine the angles at points A, B, C and D of the traverse ABDA as follows. Angle A equal to 80.81 degrees. Angle B equal to 106.61 degrees. Angle C equal to 80.48 degrees and angle D equal to 134.96 degrees. Sum of all angles equal to 402.76 degrees. Therefore, correction to each angle is equal to 42.764 equal to minus 10.69 degrees. So corrected angle A, B, C and D are equal to 70.12, 95.82, 69.79, 124.27 degrees respectively. Inference of the activity. In current practice in land surveying, the included angle at any point on the field is determined by use of instrument known as theodolite, auto level and total station. These instruments' operation need skilled workers to observe the angle on the field. The introduction of the activity shows that the angle can be computed in the office instead of measuring it on the field. Hence, the new algorithm to compute the angle in the office has revolutionized the surveying procedures. The use of costly instruments on the field is replaced by a simple soft app developed by Dr. S.K. Mahajan, and it is supplied free of cost to civil engineer on email request. Dear students, you have learned the innovative solution of the given land surveying problem. Training of land surveyors at Apurv JST Network Franchise Center provides opportunity anyone to become entrepreneur. After training, you can be employed as surveyor in any civil engineering department, or you can undertake production and marketing, or you may run own training center and join Apurv JST Network on any part of the country. Please like the video attached and subscribe the channel. Place your order to purchase DLS equipment by email correspondence given on the screen. Thank you.